How to copy table from Claude to Word. First of all, open the Claude. Open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar, type in Claude.ai. Find the table from the chat that you would like to copy. Now over here scroll down. Click on the copy icon. I'm trying to copy this table over here. Now open the Word. Now over here right click. Now click on the option paste. Now it will be pasted. Now select the text that you would like to convert to table. Simply highlight the text. After that, click on the option design. You can see various options over here. You can see the options for table style options, table styles, drop borders. Over here you can see the table styles. Click on the table style of your choice. Now easily the table has been created. Like this you'll be able to copy table from Claude to Word. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.